Zoe, the pigeon's acting a bit weird.
Sparrowhawk, one's been caught, I'm afraid.
Oh no! Oi, Basil, you better grab your nuts and do a runner. Oi, Zoe, keep an eye on them. Oh, that was stupid. I can still see you. Run, Basil, run! Oi, clear off, Seagull.
At least they're keeping the predators away.
I didn't know, Zoe. They keep grabbing the squirrels' nuts. Oh, I know. Perhaps we should go and buy some salmon for the seagulls, Zoe.
No, I don't think it's such a good idea.
Why?
You start feeding the seagulls, they will follow you back home again. And the next thing you know, they'll be knocking on their door asking for more food.
Oh. Yeah. Well, they did poop a lot, didn't they? Poopy seagulls.